Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Destiny Godly. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I'm at The Godly Brand. Now, if you clicked on this video, I'm just guessing that you want to step your eyeshadow game up. This video is dedicated to all the women and men and people who hit me in my DMs, send me videos, ask me questions, make comments like, my eyeshadow never looks like that. I look like a skunk. In this video, I'm going to address everything that I feel you need to do to get that creamy, crispy, pigmented, just well blended, beautiful, high-end looking makeup. First off, I want to start out with base. White base is important for bright eyeshadow. I see a lot of you guys going in with the skin tone concealers, and while that does help the pigment stick to your lid, nothing pops more than against a white base. I don't know how you feel about that. I got a weird question or a weird comment the other day about, isn't it like using it against white skin if you use a white base? No, paper is white. Primer is generally white for paint. It's just science. I'm sorry if that bothers you. Okay, another thing that I want to say that you'll be seeing me do here is pushing the pigment, pushing the eyeshadow into the base before you blend. A lot of people get eyeshadow on their brush and the first thing they try to do is blend. The base is sticky. You have to coat the base with eyeshadow first. And something that we do now, instead of coating your eyeshadow with an eggshell tone, we just go straight in with pigmentation. Like you'll see here, I went straight in with the black, coated it with black, and then reinforced it with black. Now you'll see here, I'm going in with purple and I'm taking that around the black, and that's to blend it out. I feel like when creating dimension with looks, you need at least 3 colors. You can get a little bit of a flow going with 2 colors, but when it comes to that 3-color eye that I always tell you about, you need the darkest color, the transition color, and the color that bridges those 2 colors. So that's what you'll see I'm doing here. Pink, purple, and then I have a black. And I'm using all of those colors to create dimension in the inner third of my eye, in the crease. And that's just gonna help everything to look blended and have a gradient and look expensive. You know, when you see an eye look that's very, very well blended, you wouldn't believe how many colors go into that sometimes. So whether your final color be a pink or an orange, a red, a yellow, or anything like that, you want to make sure that that is the highest blended color. What I see a lot of people do is blend all their colors at the same level, at the same intensity. It's supposed to be a fade, it's supposed to be a gradient. So that top color should stick out by itself. That middle color should be a combination of 2. The color on your lid should generally be, in this look, it's gonna be the darkest color and it's gonna fade out to the brightest color. You can also put a bright color on your lid and then a color in your crease to give your eye definition depending on what kind of look you're doing, but I'm going from darkest to brightest. So you'll see it goes from black to purple to pink, and I reapplied my black after blending out my edges to up the intensity to make sure that that pops and is really, really pigmented. To get the best colors, the best payoff out of your eyeshadow, you're gonna wanna make sure to blend and then reapply, blend, reapply. As you'll see, I'm going along the edges with that pink again. I'm going in, I'm blending with the purple again, and I'll probably even go in with the black one more time. Another thing when it comes to giving your look that little bit of extra, a little color in the tear duct or in the center of your lid always adds a little extra to the eye look. So now we're gonna move on to foundation. And foundation, eyeshadow, and everything I feel like usually starts the same. You need your primer, and then you go in with your pigment, and then you generally set it with a powder. So I want you guys to remember these steps when you're doing your eyeshadow. I have another look where I don't talk, but I give really great words of wisdom on the screen. I'll have that link below, and everything that was used in this video I will have linked below. I hope these very simple, these are very basic steps. These are very basic tips. And the reason that I decided to give them to you is because I see a lot of videos where people are not utilizing the basics. And the biggest thing right now is this super exaggerated eyeshadow. And I feel like in order to get there, you have to start with the basics. Now, you guys know that I'm generally a foundation girl. I'm generally into complexion products. So the fact that I'm speaking over this whole foundation portion of my video says a lot. I really want to help you guys out. I get so many questions as I get more and more into doing a little bit more expressive eyeshadow, bigger eyeshadow, more blown out, more colors. As I get a little bit deeper into doing extravagant, I guess you could say, eyeshadow looks, I really want to help you guys out. Next up, I will be doing an updated foundation routine. Let me know what you guys want to see as far as that goes. If you guys have any more questions or comments, whether it be about eyeshadow or foundation or hair or whatever you're curious on, you can go ahead and ask me in the bottom bar. Everything that I use for the non-eyeshadow portion of this video will be linked below. You'll see them using my gem blender from gemblender.com, and I'm also using my black rattan kabuki brush with the long handle. That's also available on gemblender.com. All the products linked below will be updated links. I know a lot of times my links may not have the product there, but there'll be updated links in the bottom bar so you guys can check that out. You guys can see the brush, you guys can see the gem blender. You guys know that I always use Dermablend powder, or generally I do. And I also tried a new Too Faced powder. This is the Too Faced Born This Way powder in Ganache, and I use that as my bronzer, and then I'm going in with the Prime Beauty bronzer. And I really love both these powders right now. The Too Faced is a little bit lighter than the Prime Beauty, but it comes out really, really nice. So you guys definitely got to go check that out. I'm gonna let you enjoy the last couple minutes of this video. Like I said, information below. This wig is from Cynthia Lumzy. She makes custom colored rainbow units. You guys definitely have to check her out. The lashes I'll be using are from 11 Lashes. On my lips, I'm using Spellbound from Urban Decay and a Juvia's Place color. All the eyeshadow palettes used in this look were from Juvia's Place. If you do happen to pop over to Juvia's Place and take advantage of their sale they have going on right now, make sure to use the code DESIG so you can go ahead and get a further discount. Yeah, this does apply to sale items. So even if the item is on sale, if you use my coupon code, you get an even bigger discount, which is amazing because their products are already really reasonably priced. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed my tips, and I hope that they help you. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye, guys.
Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Listen to me carefully. These hoes are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is rare to me, your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me, my haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking boss, so it's a burden. Everything I serve it like a bird, like Russian, Dutch, and German. Floated, make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous. I pop my shoulder, that picture give exposure. Got beats like Oprah, my patience is bipolar. I thought I told you, don't prep me.